How exactly do you initiate a formula in Excel? That's really important to know. So we're going to take a look at that. And the main thing, you initiate a formula by doing the equal sign in Excel. So here we go. We'll do equal. And then we're going to do ABS, which turns a number into from a negative to a positive, or always makes it basically a positive number. So turn that, and we'll do -10, for example. So what that's going to do is that's going to change that to a 10. And there we have it, guys. So ABS can be used to find the difference of a numbers. Maybe it goes negative or something like that. But ABS is a super powerful formula. But all you have to do to start a formula within Excel in 2026 and on, hopefully, is equal. And then you would type ABS. And then if you don't want to type it out, you can do tab. And then it'll ask you, do you want a number is what the input is? So we can actually just click this right here. We know that as the formula, and go right here. And that's how you reference a cell. So when we reference that, then if we go right here, that reference cell, we can actually just change it to whatever we want. Watch. So 9, boom. And that will change every time we do something. So it's -30, and that's going to turn it into 30, etc. So that's how you use ABS and how you start. Just start with equal, and then your formula, and then whatever out your input, it can be a cell or whatever here, like -30 cell where you can change it, and then you type it in. There's definitely some formula fixes here, so like maybe you're not sure how it works. Returns the absolute value of a number without a sign is a real number for that absolute value. So here we have formula result equals 30, so we're referencing that F7, but we could just type in a number here, right? So we could do -25, and it even shows you the answer without having to do it. So you kind of get that real-time thing there. You know what the answer is going to be before you do it. So you ever get stuck, you can use this formula bar, and that's super helpful. And there's additional help on the function if you want to click there. So that's formulas work in Excel for you.